Firstly, I'd like to thank you all for taking part. I'd like to also thank our sponsors, Pace, BOFA, Somerset Solders, Henkel and PM Tech, and thank the IPC and particularly Debbie Wade and her team from Advanced Rework Technology for all their support and hard work. Thanks for visiting the show. We'll be back again next year, so let's see who wins and who you have to challenge, and I'll pass you over to Debbie now. Thanks.
Thank you. Well, this year we've had a really good competition. We had 16 people in total, and you have been fighting it out. The scores have been very, very close. But I'm not going to announce the winners. I'm going to hand it over to IPC to present it for us.
Thank you, Debbie. I know you're very hungry, but I just want to give you some information about IPC. So my name is Nicolas Robin. I'm the Senior Director of IPC. As you may know, IPC is an international trade association. We represent the electronics industry as with the value chain, the designer, the raw material, and the manufacturing. And our member range from billions turnover company to SMEs. Actually, 80% of our members are SMEs. And you know also that through IPC, the industry develops standards. And obviously, guys, you who participate are the one who implemented this standard every day. And we know that how much is important for the industries. And IPC is working on the continuous education apprenticeships. And we are very glad that 16 of you participate to this competition. As you know, the winner will be going to the US to compete with globally with his peers from Asia, America, and Latin America. So with not overdue, let's start.
So we're going to announce in reverse order. So starting in third place with a score of 427.
So I'm known to be very bad with names, so sorry about that. Justina Mikol. Thank you, Justina. Thank you very much. Sorry about that. So
there is your certificate for third place.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
this is your prize.
Lovely, thank you.
And if
That's
your
lovely.
tension is the tension is coming out. I'm sorry, but we have a little administrative things to do. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you again.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.
Okay, then we had a tie. And per IPC rules, when we have a tie on points, it is then decided by who completed the board the quickest. So in second place, with points of 435, they completed the board in exactly 75 minutes. Goes to
James Dean. Congratulations.
Thank you. Cheers.
I'm sorry, we just need your
Yeah, no problem.
name and address. Thank you very much. Congratulations again.
Cheers.
also with a score of 435, but this participant completed the board in just shy of 65 minutes. And the winner is...
Thank you, Debbie. So, Przemyslaw Marszalek. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
First prize. For the secondary money.
Yes. This is your prize. Yes. And if you don't mind.
Valid passport.
So again, thank you very much to all the participants, and I hope to see you next year, and you continue to train to beat this gentleman. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Congratulations.
Thank you.